Hi dear students, I am Abhinav. Welcome you all on BYJU'S exam prep guys. In this session, we will be doing the questions of BARC, and of course guys, the level of the question will be as BARC only, and try to solve at least 60% of the questions, so that I guess 60% will be safe score. The reason being, in 2022, if I talk about of BARC written test cutoff was 142 for civil engineers out of 300 for all categories. Okay, in 2023 guys, the cutoff was 102 out of 300 guys. The less cutoff in BARC for civil engineering is not because of very tough questions. Yes guys, the questions will be tougher than the PSUs which take their own exam like BHEL, HPCL, but the questions for civil engineering will be little less tougher than the gate 2 mark question. But yes, they will be tougher than engineering service prelims conceptual questions. They will be tougher than the PSUs and state service questions, but not as tough as the gate 2 mark question. The main reason of being the less cutoff out of 300 is because for these 100 questions, every question will be of 3 marks guys. Okay, negative marking is -1/3. Guys, all these questions has to be done in 2 hours. Now you may ask, sir, this 2 hours is for other exams also? In HPCL, sir, in 2.5 hours, we solve 170 questions. In BHEL, we solve 240 questions, but the questions they are at that level only. That in 20-25 seconds, you can solve the questions. But here, in 120 minutes, you have to solve 100 questions, but relatively, the level of the questions will be more. So sometimes, not sometimes, often, the students are not able to attempt the all paper. For that guys, what you have to do, you have to attempt this paper in 2 attempts. In first attempt guys, solve all the questions that can be done in 1 minute or less than 1 minute. And in the second time, you can solve those questions which you know that you will be solving, but it will take little more than 70 to 80 seconds. Okay, so that if you are solving all the questions in one go, might be after question number 85, the time is up. And last 15 questions, few questions are very easy, can be done in 10 seconds. That is why you should do this paper in 2 attempts. Guys, everybody on the comment section, guys, please let me know. My audio video is fine. Everyone, guys, come on. Audio video is fine, guys. Everyone. Okay, guys. Okay. Thank you, Doubt Master. Now guys, this is about me. My name is Abhinav, as most of you must be knowing this. 12 plus years. Guys, what if I'm 12 plus IIT Delhi? If that doesn't mean if I'm from IIT Delhi or any other college, if I got 164 wrong or whatever rank. Okay, I'm not saying that these are all false. These are absolutely correct. But whatever, a teacher should not be known by all these things, but should be known from his teaching, guys. Okay, this is my Telegram group, Civil by Abhinav sir. You can join the students. More than 6,000 students have already joined this. Okay, guys, and if you want to enroll in BYJU'S, then there is a scholarship test on 10th of March, guys. Anytime you can give this test on the app and get 90%, 80%, 70% discount depending on your score that you are getting on that scholarship test on 10th of March. Guys, there is a free workshop to have more awareness about the GATE exam that will be taken by Anil Prasad sir at 13th of March at 7:30 PM on app. Please do register for this workshop. About this scholarship, I have already told. Guys, if you want to start the subjects from 0 level as a beginner, then Ground Zero series are running on the app, where you can go on this free app series and start the subjects from 0 level. And guys, for every question you will be getting the marks also. So leaderboard will also be coming, so that you can evaluate yourself from your competitors. Okay, and these are the courses. The 2025 and 26, if you are preparing, then you can enroll in the BYJU'S, guys. The courses are available in English and Hindi both. The classes will be live, which you can watch in finite number of times again. Anything you want to know about these courses, guys, either you can connect on this number, or in the description box there is a Google form, you can fill that. Okay, shall we begin, guys? Everyone, try to get more than 60%. Okay, try to attempt more than 60% questions, guys, so that guys, your preparation for BARC will be up to the BARC level, guys. Everyone. And once the exam will be over, we will be telling you about the interview guidance session as well. Come on everyone. Two beam with an internal hinge is shown below. Conjugate beam corresponding to this beam is, what will be the conjugate beam? So guys, the conjugate beam will be fixed, will be free. Fixed will be free. Internal hinge will be changed to internal roller, guys. Internal roller will be changed to internal hinge, and pin will be supported to change to roller support. So A will be the correct answer. Okay, A will be the correct answer, guys. Okay, now what to do from the conjugate beam, guys? Whatever the loading diagram of this, okay, divide by EI, sorry, whatever will the bending moment diagram, M diagram, divide by I. So there will be M by EI diagram for this beam. Make Control C, Control V. Okay, whatever is the M by EI diagram, M by EI diagram of this beam, make it as a loading diagram for this beam. Then at any point, whatever is the shear force, that at the same point it will be slope in the real beam. At any point, whatever will be the bending moment, at the same point it will be deflection in the real beam, guys. Okay, now question number 2, guys. Now question number 2, and guys, the questions options are, option A is, let me make it P, Q, R and S. Option A is P and R is correct. Option B is P and S is correct. Option C is Q and R is correct. Option D is PR. No, how it will be PR? It will be PQ and PS. It will be PQ and PS. Then it will be QR and QP. D option. Okay, PQ or PS or QR or PQ. A, B, C, D option, guys. Everybody on the comment section, please let me know the value of the time mean speed and the space mean speed here. Everyone on the comment section. Okay, you will be getting the virtual calculator in the exam as well. Aditya Vishwakarma has given the answer. What about others? Come on, guys. Hit it. And guys, in this particular question, I'm giving you a hint, guys. Please take care of the units as well. Come on. Okay. Chalo. So guys, time mean speed will be Vt is, average speed can be taken here is 3. Here it can be taken as 7, here 11, here 14. So 3 into 1 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 3 times. So 7 into 3 plus 11 into 4 plus 14 into 7 divided by number of vehicles. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. From here you will be getting the time mean speed, and time mean speed you will be getting as 11.07. and once you got 11.07, guys, and if you're opting for B, P is absolutely wrong answer. The reason being because the values here are in meter per second. So if you change it in kilometer per hour, this value will be 39.85. 39.85 kilometer per hour. Okay, so intentionally they have given 11.0. The correct value will be 39.85. That is R is correct. Okay, now guys, similarly, if you find the space mean speed, let me represent space mean speed will Vs. Okay, so 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus 7. For 1 kilometer, the time will be 1 by 3, and there is one such vehicle. Okay, similarly for 1 kilometer, the time will be 1 by 7. There are 3 such vehicles. Similarly, guys, 11 into 4 by 11 into 1 by 7 plus 14 into the speed is here 11, guys. Aha. Twing. Okay, so the speed will be distance by time 1 by 11, or you can convert everything here applying this formula in units. I'm not wasting time. Convert everything in kilometer per hour and do like this. Convert everything in kilometer per hour and do like this. Okay, convert this value, and again that value in kilometer per hour. The value will be getting as 33.23. The value will be getting as 33.23. So C will be the correct answer. Everybody please give me yes or no. Come on. Got it? Okay, good evening Rotela sahab, kaise hain? Aditya, good Aditya. Question number 3. Excellent question, guys. A 5-star question, guys. A 5-star question. Everyone, let us first of all analyze this question. What is happening? A student riding a bicycle. Okay, a student is riding a bicycle. Okay, let me fix it. Okay, student riding a bicycle on a 5-kilometer one-way street takes 40 minutes to reach home. In this 40 minutes, guys, what is happening? The student stopped for 15 minutes during the ride. He stopped for 15 minutes during the ride. Okay, and when he was stopped, 45 vehicles overtook him. During this 40 minutes, 15 minutes he was stopped, and in these 15 minutes 45 vehicles crosses him. 45 vehicles crosses him. Okay, in this 40-minute journey, 15 minutes he is stopped, so he is moving 25 minutes. He is moving in 25 minutes, and in those 25 minutes 60 vehicles overtook the student. Student is not overtaking anything. So in 25 minutes, when he is moving, 60 vehicles overtook. Okay, of course guys, when the vehicles, the traffic will be having some velocity. Traffic will be having velocity v like this. Okay, now everyone, what is the speed of vehicle stream? Means the speed of the traffic. What is the speed of the traffic? I'm again saying, when he was stopped for 15 minutes, when he was stopped, v is equal to 0. How many vehicles are overtaking him? 45 vehicles. And when he is moving, for 25, how many vehicles overtake him? 60 vehicles. What will the speed of student? Speed of student, velocity of the student is equal to distance, that is 5 kilometer upon time. Okay, the moving time is only 25 minutes. So in hours, this will be 25 by 60. So this will be 12 kilometer per hour. This will be 12 kilometer per hour. Okay. Now do this. Sandeep is saying C. No, Sandeep, C is not correct. C is not correct, Sandeep. C is not correct. Everyone, please tell me. Do it, guys. This question, if you can solve now, you are champion. This question, if you can solve, you are champion, guys. Champions of the champions. You are champion of the champions. Come on, hit this question. Everyone, hit this question, guys. Come on, come on, come on, come on. B, C, B. Now you change to B. Now you change to B. B is also, I guess, incorrect. B is also incorrect. Now see, guys, density will be same. If he is moving or he is at rest, density will be same. Density, it is when stopped, and when he is moving, I have made it with yellow color. The density will be same. Okay, his moving speed is 12. So guys, K is Q by V. K is Q by V. Okay, so how many number of vehicles when he stopped? 45 vehicles in 15 minutes. This is Q. And this Q, number of vehicles passing, is with respect to student. With respect to student, these many vehicles are passing. So velocity is also with respect to student. When he is stopped, so velocity of traffic with respect to him is V minus 0. Okay, this number of vehicles I am writing with respect to student. So velocity of traffic also I will writing with respect to student. When he is stopped, velocity is V minus 0. Now let me write the same thing when he is moving. So with respect to student, student is moving now. Student is moving. And when he is moving, so how many vehicles are overtaking him? 60 vehicles. So 60 vehicles in how many minutes? 60 vehicles in 25. Vehicle per minute will be cancelled. And now this number of vehicles are with respect to student, not with a constant section. Student is moving and vehicles are crossing him. So this I have written with respect to student. So velocity of q I have written with respect to student. So velocity I will also be representing with respect to student. That is v here and 12 here, v minus 12. Please check from here, guys. You be getting v is equal to 60. Everyone, guys, come on, give me yes or no. Everyone, guys, give me yes or no. Have you understood this? Have you understood this beautiful question? Come on, come on, come on. Let me know. Any doubt here to anyone? Any doubt here to anyone, guys? Tell me. No doubt, na? Okay, shall we move further then? Okay. This one, a thin cylinder with closed end is subjected to this. Sigma L value is given, sigma H value is given. What is the maximum in plane shearing stress? So tau max in plane, not absolute. So in plane it will be sigma 1 minus sigma 2 by 2, sigma H minus sigma L. Sigma H is 2 and that is 14. Okay, so guys, how sigma H can be less? Make it 20. Okay, make it 20. So it is 20 minus 14 by 2. So 6 by 2 will be 3. 6 by 2 will be 3, guys. Okay, next question. For the analysis of thick, guys, thin can be done from simple derivations. Everything, sigma H, sigma L, tau max, epsilon H, epsilon L, volumetric strain, everything is derivable. Okay, for analysis of thick cylinder, we have to make certain assumptions and certain empirical equations that is given by Lamb's theory. That is given by Lamb's theory, where the Lamb's constants A and B are also introduced. Okay, a thin cylinder with diameter D, length L, thickness T subjected to internal pressure. What is the hoop stress? It is PD by 2T. Longitudinal stress is PD by 4T. So it is PD by 2T. The buckling load of a column, pin and both end is 10 Newton if it is fixed. So guys, when it is pinned when it is pinned at both ends, so it is n square, n is 1 for our case. Okay, pi square E I upon L effective is L square only. When it is fixed, pi same, E I everything is same, L effective is L by 2. Okay, so this will be 4 pi square E I upon L square, and this value is 10. 4 into 10, it is 40. And guys, even if I don't know the formula of L effective, I am 100% sure that 2.5 and 5 cannot be the answer, because fixed column for the same material, same dimension provides more stability. Okay, so if pinned column can support 10 kilonewton load, then for same material, same load, the fixed will be stronger, na? The fixed will be stronger, na? So it will take more load, na, guys? Give me yes or no. Give me yes or no, everyone. Everyone, guys. Any doubt, please let me know. Any doubt, please let me know, friends. No doubt? Shall we move further? Okay. Euler's formula for mild steel long column hinged at both ends is not valid for slenderness ratio. For how much slenderness ratio it is not valid? How much slenderness ratio it is not valid, guys? Okay, guys, 86, 88 is the value. Okay, above it, lambda is equal to L effective into R minimum. If you apply the dimensions, or if you apply it for that for long column, guys, for long column or for validity of Euler's theory, the buckling stress should be less and crushing stress should be more, na? If buckling stress is less, that means the buckling is reaching early, na? Buckling is reaching early, na? So when you apply this, the value comes around 88. If for longer lambda means long column, then it is valid. Okay, the condition is only not valid for lesser lambda. Okay, it should be less than 88, but 80 is also answer because all are greater. For greater value, it is more long column, yeah. More center ratio, more long column, more the chances of buckling failure. So only A is the correct answer. Got it? Everyone please let me know. Okay. Question number 9. The true bearing of a line is S 30 degree east. If the declination is 6 degree west, what is the magnetic bearing? There is two options, two methods. For solving this, many time I told you these two methods. One is the everyone tell you. Okay, S 30 degree east is actually S 30 east. From south it is toward east 30 degree. So that is 150. So 150 is true bearing. So you have done this method many times. For the line AR, okay, for the line AR from the true meridian, the angle is 150 degree. Okay. Now the declination is 6 degree west. So magnetic meridian is 6 degree west. That angle is 6 degree. So from here the value will be 156. Okay, and 156 S E N W. If this is 156, so what will be this value? 66, 76, 80, 24. So S24 east. This is one method. This is one method which in every book this is the solution. Let me give you the second method. Okay, my method, Abhinav Negi method. Method 2. No need to convert in whole circle bearing. From true meridian, this is true north, this is true south, this is true east. I will respect to this is true west. What is this? S 30 degree east. S 30 degree east. Declination is 6 degree west. Declination is 6 degree west. So magnetic meridian or magnetic north will be here. That is 6 degree. Considering that magnetic north, it will be south. This will be east. This will be east. And this will be west. And this is 6 degree vertically opposite angle. This will be 6th. And now from magnetic meridian, this towards it is towards here, and that will be 24. Got it, guys? Directly you can get the answer. Directly you can get the answer, guys. Everyone on the comment section. Everyone on the comment section, guys, give me yes or no. Give me yes or no. Everyone, guys, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Any doubt? Shall we move further? Okay. Diurnal variation is greater in summers. Okay, this is greater in summers than winters. Greater in day than in night time. And greater in poles than equator. Everyone will tell you this, every teacher. But what is the logic? What is the logic? Guys, the magnetic variation is coming due to the movement of iron, which is generally in molten form in the earth crust. And that movement will be more in high temperature because high temperature decrease the viscosity of liquid. And high temperature will be in summers, not in winters. High temperature will be in day. So it is more in summers than winters because of high temperature. More in day than night. Then why poles? Because the pole, the curvature is more. Slightly movement of the earth or the rotation will lead to large movement of molten form. Near the equator, the curvature is almost smooth, plain. So movement will not be much. Okay. So that is why it is greater in not night, not winters. Not in equators, it is in summers than in winters, guys. Have you understood? Have you understood, guys? Tell me please. Tell me please. Okay. Do this homework. D will be coming answer. Now the component of strain tensor at a point in the plane strain case can be obtained by longitudinal strain in any three direction. It may be both two of them are 90 degree or third one is a 45 degree rectangular rosette, but that is a special case. At 60 degrees equilateral triangle or star rosette at 120 degree, but they are special case. Actually it can be in any three directions along any three arbitrary directions. Okay, you can find the values. Okay. Okay guys, good. In a epsilon XL is the maximum engineering strain. What is the maximum shearing strain? Okay guys, this will be epsilon, this will be gamma by 2, this will be gamma by 2. Mohr circle for strain will be like this. This is epsilon x, this will be epsilon y. What is radius here? Radius is diameter by 2. Radius is diameter by 2, but radius here is not tau max like in stress. Radius here is y-axis is gamma by 2. So gamma by 2 max is equal to epsilon x minus epsilon y by 2. So from here gamma max is equal to epsilon x minus epsilon y. B option guys. Yes Sandeep. Sandeep has deleted now. Sandeep has deleted now. Any doubt guys till here? Please tell me. Till here any doubt? Tell me. Okay. The vertical stress at some depth below the corner of a 3 into 3. Below the corner of a 3 into 3 at some depth is 100. At some depth below it is 100 stress. Okay. What will the vertical stress below the center of a 6 into 6 rectangular footing? 6 into 6. 6 into 6. 6 into 6 will not be rectangular, yeah. 6 into 6 will be square. Okay. So now this 6 into 6 we want at the where we want a center. So 6 into 6 consists of 4 3 into 3s. 1 2 3 4 3 into 3s, and due to this 3 into 3 corner it is 100. Due to this 3 into 3 corner it is 100. Due to this 3 into 3 corner it is 100. Due to this 3 into 3 corner it is 100. So total will be 400 guys. Total will be 400. Hi Ajay, how are you? Tell me please. Tell me please. Everyone on the comment section. Come on. Come on. Getting it? Getting it? I'm good, I'm good. Okay, this take as a homework again, this question. The smallest length that can be drawn on a map. Okay guys, the nib from which we make the pencil map considered to be 0.25 mm width. Okay, this is the smaller distance. Smaller than this we cannot denote on map. Smaller than this we cannot denote on the map. They will be very very close. Okay, suppose the scale is 1 by x. Suppose the scale is 1 by x. So 0.25 mm on map, what will be the ground distance? 0.25 into x. 0.25 into x. So ground, this is the minimum distance that we can show. This is the minimum distance we can show because this is the minimum distance in the map. Now that means if 2 points A and B in ground are having a lesser distance than 0.25x, that means no need to distinguish these 2 points A and B, because if the distance between them is less than 0.25x, that means in map it is less than 0.25 mm. That means we cannot show those 2 points differently in the map. So no need to take the distance. No need to take the distance guys. Everyone on the comment section. Everyone on the comment section. Give me yes or no. Got it? Okay. If the forebearing of line is this, then what is the back bearing? Guys, if the forebearing is given, the shortcut for back bearing is write the same angle. Instead of S, write N. Instead of N, write S. So it is S, write N. Instead of E, write W. Instead of W, write E. It is E, so write W. You can make it in whole circle bearing, then add and subtract 180, you'll get the same answer. Okay, N 49 degree 52 minute west is the answer. Okay, everyone. Got it? Hi Kumar Sonu. Question 15 repeat. That is the homework. We have to repeat this. Okay. Guys, prismatic bar when subjected to pure bending, what will be the shape? A prismatic bar ni beam. What will be the shape? Guys, M by I is equal to E by R. So 1 by R is equal to M by EI. Now it is pure bending. So pure bending means M is constant. Okay. The beam is prismatic. Now prismatic means EI is constant. 1 by R is constant. 1 by R is constant. R is constant. R is constant means of a circle. R is constant means of a circle, guys. Everyone. Got it? Got it, friends? Ajay, Sandeep, Kumar, everyone got it? Okay. 19. What is the meaning of uniform strength? Sometimes in the question they ask that the beam is of uniform strength. Sometimes in the question they say the beam is of uniform strength. What does that mean? Equal amount of punching is required to fail it. Equal amount of energy is required to crack it. Beam of uniform strength means that the maximum bending stress is same. The beam of uniform strength means the maximum bending stress value is same. Okay. What is M by EI? We just told you. M by I is equal to E by R. Okay. So from here, M by EI is equal to 1 by R. So 1 by R is curvature diagram. So M by EI is also called as curvature. Which of the following is the water content of a mixed soil made from a 1 kg of a sample, say soil A, with 100% 1 kg of soil B with 50%. Okay. Mixed soil. So A, first of all, A soil. A soil weight of water plus weight of solid is 1 kg and water content is 100%. So weight of water, weight of solid is 1. So from here, weight of water is 0.5 and weight of solid is 0.5. From these two statements, we get this value. This is A. Now in A, B is mixed. In A, B is mixed. So what is B? Weight of water plus weight of solid, total is 1 kg, air weight is 0 only. And weight of water by weight of solid is 0.5. From these two, what I got? कैलकुलेट करना, दोनों का सम ये होना चाहिए और ये होना चाहिए. अच्छा ठीक है. तो weight of water will be 0.3333 and weight of solid is 0.6666. सही मैच कर रहा है दोनों. सम भी 1 हो जा रहा है और ये 0.33 by 0.66 ये भी हो जा रहा है. ठीक है. Mixing yellow and this orange, we get C soil. Now in C soil, what is the water content? So what is the weight of water in C soil? Weight of water is 0.5 plus 0.33, 0.83, and weight of solid is 0.5 plus 0.6. Okay, 0.5 plus 0.6 is equal to 1 point value. Okay, 1.66 और 50 कितना होता है? 116, 1.16. Okay, so water content of C soil is weight of water 0.83 upon 1.16. इसका वैल्यू कितना आ रहा है? 0.83 divided by 1.16. This value is coming to be 0.71, 71%. Give me yes or no. Have you understood the topic? Have you understood the question? Have you understood the question? Please tell me. Please tell me. Please tell me. Everyone, Sandeep, Kumar Sonu, match ovation. ओके अजय, किसका ब्रेड्थ एंड लेंथ वेरी कर रहा है? विच ब्रेड्थ एंड लेंथ इज वेरिंग? विच ब्रेड्थ एंड लेंथ इज वेरिंग गाइज? come on, like and share the session guys. Give for a sample, this is the densest state. In densest states it will be E minimum, in loosest state it is E maximum, with a void ratio of this. Okay, so relative density is equal to E max minus E minimum, E max minus E natural E upon E max minus E minimum. So 1.2 minus 1 divided by 1.2 minus 0.4. So this value is 0.2 upon 0.8, that is 1 by 4, that is 25%. Everyone got it? Everyone got it? Everyone got it guys? Okay, which of the following is inconsistent data for a falling head test? Guys, in a falling head test, if equal time interval, this is 10 minutes and from here to here is also 10 minutes, then h2 square is equal to h1 h3. If this is following, this is consistent, otherwise inconsistent. So please check, 32 square is equal to 40 into 25.6. If yes, then consistent. If no, then inconsistent. Okay, as far as remembering, you can check this for same. Here it is not matching. Okay, here this C is not matching. I guess C will be the answer. 20 square is not 14 into 12. This is 400 and this is 480. Others will be matching. So that will be inconsistent. All will be consistent. Yes, yes, Ajay. Correct. 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 Get till here any doubt, you can ask me. Till here any doubt, you can ask me. Okay. Now next question, a discharge Q is occurring through a soil sample of length L under a head H. Okay. Now when the head is doubled and length is reduced to half, what is a discharge? Q is equal to KIA. Now when the head is doubled 2 times and length is halved, so it will be 4 times of Q. It will be 4 times of Q guys. Okay. Now what should be the pH value? It should not be less than 6. Not environment wala nahi keh raha, I am talking of RCC, the water we use to make the reinforced concrete, should not be less than 6. Okay. The minimum grade of concrete will be not less than M30 for a reinforced concrete. The minimum grade of concrete should not be less than 30. The maximum strain in the tension reinforcement. Guys, we want that tension occurs in concrete first. 0.0035. And when it is reaching maximum here, in steel it is more than the permissible value. The permissible value is 0.87. 0.87 is 1 by 1.15. 1.1.5 Fy plus 0.002 from the offset method. This should be more. Guys, I don't want that strain should be in steel involved. I want strain in the steel is also less. But at when it is reaching the maximum, this should be more than that. So it is failing first. So that is a ductile failure. Guys, this is the very, very important point in RCC that students are they are not getting it. I cannot say misguided, but they are not getting it. We generally say the steel should be more than this value. This is the correct answer. But that doesn't mean that we want strain in the steel more. We want strain in the steel is also less. What we say that when the concrete is reaching the maximum value, steel should be more than that. So that first stress should be in the steel. Okay. Now the Young's modulus is 5000 root FCK. Okay. Now the angle of internal friction is, what is the value of internal friction? What is the value of इंटरनल फ्रिक्शन क्या है? Consolidated NCC clay means behave like a sand. C is equal to 0. Okay, so graph starts from here. Okay, and this is phi. Okay, so this is 150. Radius is 50. Okay, so sine phi is equal to perpendicular by 150. So it is 1 by 3. It is 1 by 3, guys. Okay, do this. A clay layer of thickness 10 centimeter, initial void ratio is 0.5. Undergo settlement. The settlement is delta H by H, guys. This we have derived also many times. This formula we have derived also many times. Okay, a clay layer of thickness 10 centimeter, delta H, we are asking delta H by 10 centimeter, and initial void ratio is 0.5. So 1 plus 0.5, and what is delta E? Final void ratio is 0.2. So this is 0.3. So this is 3 upon 0.3 upon 1.5. 0.3 upon 1.5 कितना होता है? 1 by 5. So delta H is equal to 10 by 5, that is 2 centimeters. Getting or not getting? Getting or not getting? Getting or not getting? Getting or not getting? Please tell me. Please tell me. Everyone, every commander, every champion. Any doubt in this question? Shall we move further, guys? Shall we move further? Shall we move further? Okay. Okay. In a section undergoing pure bending, the neutral surface is subjected to zero strain. And above neutral surface, compression. Okay, it can be anything, na guys. Okay, always you say compression. Yes, this is the case, it is compression above. But for sagging movement, it can be tension also. Okay, the maximum shear stress in triangular. In triangular, the tau max is 3 by 2 of tau average. What is tau average? Shear force 36,000 upon area, half base into height, 40 into 60. This value will be coming 45. Okay, when a I section is subjected to a transverse shear force, it is like this. Area is reducing, stress will be increasing. Okay, the maximum shear stress is at the neutral surface. The maximum shear stress is at the neutral surface. Guys, whenever you are making shear stress diagram, just two things. First one is that at shear stress at top and bottom will be 0, and there is a parabolic variation like this. Parabolic variation will not be like this, convex outside. Then just logic after that. Only two things you have to remember for any diagram, either I, T, L, triangular, circular, rectangular. Top and bottom it should be 0, and then parabolic variation, convex outside. Area is reduced suddenly, so decreased, and then parabolic variation. Sorry. Area is reduced, na? So area is reduced, so stress will be increased, na? Like this, and then like this. Okay, A option. Guys, this is F. What is the magnitude of shear stress? 0. It will be accelerating. This will be accelerating, guys, force by mass. Stress comes when it is like this. Okay, leave this. Question is asking that a shear stress is F, that for that particular diagram answer is 0. The normal stress will be 0, shear stress will also be 0, there will be acceleration, no stress will be coming. Now here on rectangular section of area A, the max 3 by 2 of average, 3 by 2 of F by A. Okay, ductility means less steel, so steel will be failing first. Under reinforced section, ductile failure. Over reinforced, steel is more, so steel will not be failing, concrete will be failing, which is brittle. Okay, Now you will say, sir, again you have taken this question, sir. Minimum grade of concrete. Tell me the answer on comment box, yaar. Tell me the answer on comment box. You will say again, sir, you have taken. You will say again, sir, you have taken this. You will say, sir, again you have taken this. Tell me. This is my Telegram group. Okay, guys, for RCC it is M30. For plain concrete it is M25. So that is different question, guys. Okay, that is different question. For RCC it is M30. For this plain concrete is M25. Got it, everyone? Got it? Okay. So guys, this is my Telegram group. I have posted the link on the comment section, guys. Vision courses, as I told you at the beginning, for 25 and 26 are available. You can join them in English and Hindi, where we are teaching the classes live from basic level, guys. All subjects, mathematics, aptitude, ESC, non-tech part also. If you are enrolling in ESC batch, otherwise GATE complete syllabus in the GATE batch in both languages. Any doubt you want to have about this course, fees and everything, guys, we are not something like our code is like this or something. Okay, we are as only academic here persons. Anything you want to know, fees, curriculum and all, you can either connect this number, or there is a Google form in the description box. Our counselor will connect you all. Okay, so thank you, guys. Happy Mahashivratri once again, and a very happy Women's Day to all the women out there. Thank you guys. Take care.